Hello everybody, in today's video I want to analyze two ads that failed. I want to show you how I would have improved those ads so you can learn something and improve your next Facebook ads. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, how do I look for ads that failed? I use a tool called foreplay.co, and if you save an ad you can actually see when they launched it and when they turned it off. So this one only ran for 21 days, which is an indicator for me that this one didn't perform, because otherwise it would still be running, right? So, I did this for two ads, and first one is this one, which we're going to take a look at, and the second one is this, because it's a video. I just want to take a quick look at it with you together, and then we can kind of, dive deep into the analyzation and figure out why this one probably didn't perform, right? So let's go into my Figma dashboard right here, and I would say we start with the first one, which is this one from Rise, mushroom coffee. Right, okay, so what do I think is bad about this ad? Overall it's looking pretty straightforward. It's looking pretty solid, right? But we have first of all a benefit on here which doesn't resonate with these benefits, right? So basically what the issue I think with this ad is, they focus on one main thing, which is reduce inflammation, but then they overwhelm potential customers with these benefits right here. It's way too much. You can't really take a look at the mushroom images either way. It's like, I don't know how cordyceps looks like. I probably don't care either, right? So it's probably not necessary to have the ingredients in here. Like, ingredients, do we need to have them in here? This is the first question that I would ask myself, right? Ingredients. Then second thing that which I would notice is, first of all, that there's an image with coffee, which could be just a plain stock image, and then there's the product. I would make the product image larger, and then I would get rid of all of these things right here and just focus on one single benefit that they have for the coffee, right? So we could have a variation which says maybe reduce inflammation, right? And then we could have another benefit which focuses maybe on stress, stress relief instantly. I think this one would be a way better benefit line. Then you just get rid of all of this, eliminate this, make this text larger, and then you just take this product packaging and put it right into the middle, right? And this way I think you have a way better ad, which has a way better structure, which you can split test with other ads and give them 2-3 other benefits. So you reduce inflammation, stress relief instantly, and maybe get more work done, right? Because lion's mane would be for focus, and how does focus help you, right? How does reduce inflammation help me? I don't know. Reduce inflammation, what does this mean? Better focus, what does this mean? Get more work done. This is what it means. For digestion, what does it mean? Digestion, what does that mean for digestion? You could create an ad that focuses maybe on no more bloated guts, right? This, I can imagine myself having no more bloated guts if I'm taking this, but for digestion, I don't know what this means. I don't know how it helps me. Same for focus. Okay, this one's more straightforward, but what is the end product of having better focus? And that is maybe getting more things done, or not being distracted as much, right? Stop being distracted. Take Rise, boom, right? This way we can really dive deeper into the benefits and then ask ourselves, what are the benefits helping the potential customer with? Instead of saying better focus, what is the end product of better focus? For stamina, what is for stamina? Like, I don't care about that. But yeah, then the next one which we have is probably an easier fix, right? Because this one, at least for me, it's pretty apparent at what could be the issue right here. And that is, first of all, drop cut tees. I don't know if this is a benefit which you should open with. If there's something better that they could use, and drop cut tees probably describes their product pretty well. All right, I get it, but is there something better? Because right here, we have benefits which they mention, and I'm sure that one of these benefits is standing out for potential customer, and I would assume it's probably ultra soft. So why not say something like ultra soft tees, right? I think a way better opener, a way better kind of thumb stopper, if somebody's scrolling through their like IG stories, like ultra soft tees, that catches my attention more than drop cut tees. And then find your perfect fit, eliminate this, nobody cares, you can find the perfect fit on the website. That's what the website is for, that's not what the ad is for, right? Then signature and looks, I don't know what this is. I'm a first time customer seeing this. I don't know what this is. It could definitely be that this is more for retargeting purposes, blah, 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 I get the point, but find your perfect fit. That's what the website is for. And then signature and lux, I don't know the differences. They don't get apparent to me. Like, let's take a look at this ad again. Like, I just see different colors, and then okay, now I get it. They're switching the benefits, but they're switching like three benefits, and they keep one. I don't know. This doesn't make sense to me. So focus on one product, sell one product, have one sales pitch. Now focus on the signature. For example, then you can get rid of this part. Focus on the signature. Then you can get rid of this part as well. And then the benefits on here are like so small, like I barely could notice the differences in the video, right, between the two texts, because they are also so small on the other side. So let's go back here a little bit so we have more room to work with again. And okay, so these benefits, like cut out of 2 of these. Like, who cares about 4-way ultra stretch? I don't know. And then looser shape, you can make that on the website. Signature versus lux. Looser shape versus I don't know, more casual shape, whatever. I don't know. So we have ultra soft and casual comfort. What does casual comfort mean? So I would probably eliminate this one as well and focus on ultra soft. And then let's actually go to the website, Wild Basics, and let's take a look at the website real quick, because I'm sure that they have other and then drop cut looks. Yeah, so they have 1,000 different colors, right? So why not display more colors in the actual ad that gets people maybe soaked in, right? So maybe people don't care about black. I'm sure that is the best seller, right? Because black probably is more selling than, say, Atlantic, right? But why not display additional colors like dark sage, mauve, army green, right? Why not display them on the ad, right? You could, when you have a GIF, why not show, instead of switching between signature and lux, why not have a different color like they did right here, but just all of the different colors, right? This is the second thing that I'm noticing. And then also the contrast, of course. Contrast is so bad. This is the first thing that I noticed. Contrast. Like, if I'm scrolling on my IG stories, I see this, there's nothing that's making me stop. Not even, I don't care about the headline, I don't care about the benefits, about everything else. The contrast, like, why not make this background like purple or something? This makes the ad stand out. Is it on brand? Probably not. Do I care if this performs? I don't care. And contrast, benefit statement, eliminate selling 2 different products within one ad, and I'm sure that this ad would crush it. So yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to you, and if it did, or if it was, then please leave a like, leave a comment of what I can do better, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.